In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Microsoft Outlook to TickTick. We'll walk through the TickTick web app together, open the exact place where Outlook connects, and cover what to do when you see the premium prompt so you can get your calendars synced inside TickTick. Start by opening your browser and searching for TickTick. This helps you land on the official site quickly. Click the official TickTick result to open the web app. Once the page loads, look for the sign in button near the top of the screen and log into your account. After signing in, you'll land in the TickTick web app, usually in the inbox or a task list view. From here, move to your profile menu. It's the small avatar or profile icon in the corner of the interface. Click it to open the account menu, then choose Settings. The Settings panel is where TickTick keeps all of its key options, including connections to outside services. Inside Settings, select Integrations and Import. You'll see a list of services that can connect with TickTick, along with tools to bring in data. This is the section designed for calendar subscriptions and other app integrations, and it's where you'll connect your Microsoft calendars. Now, find Outlook Calendar and click it. This is the integration that lets TickTick subscribe to your Microsoft Outlook calendars so your events appear alongside your tasks. It's helpful for centralizing your schedule, seeing meetings and deadlines in one place, and getting reminders without switching apps. When you open the Outlook Calendar option, you'll likely see a notice that calendar subscriptions are part of TickTick's premium features. To continue, click Upgrade to Premium. Upgrading unlocks subscriptions to external calendars, including Google Calendar and Outlook Calendar, so your meetings and appointments can show in TickTick's calendar view. On the upgrade screen, review the plan details and follow the prompts to complete your purchase. In many cases, TickTick highlights the upgrade button within the settings window to make it easy to proceed. If you see a highlighted upgrade area, click that to finish the process. If your organization uses Microsoft Exchange instead of standard Outlook.com or Microsoft 365 calendars, TickTick also offers an Exchange calendar option. In the same integrations and imports section, click Exchange Calendar to view it. You'll notice the same premium requirement here as well, and you may be prompted to upgrade again because both Outlook Calendar and Exchange Calendar integrations are part of the premium tier. Once you have premium, the rest is straightforward. Return to Integrations and Import, click Outlook Calendar or Exchange Calendar and follow the on-screen instructions. The web app will guide you through signing in to your Microsoft account and granting permission for TickTick to access your calendars. Choose the specific calendars you want available in TickTick, confirm the connection, and the sync will begin shortly after. A few quick tips to make this smooth. Check that your time zone in TickTick matches the time zone in your Microsoft account so meeting times line up correctly. If you manage several calendars, subscribe only to the ones you really need to keep your view clean and reduce clutter. If alerts feel too frequent, adjust notification settings inside TickTick after the connection is active so reminders are helpful without being overwhelming. If you ever change Microsoft accounts, return to Integrations and Import to disconnect and reconnect cleanly, which helps keep the sync stable. To recap the path you'll take, open TickTick from a quick browser search, sign in, open your profile menu, go to Settings, choose Integrations and Import, click Outlook Calendar, and upgrade to Premium when prompted. Use the highlighted upgrade option if it appears to complete the purchase. If you use Exchange, open Exchange Calendar in the same spot, note the same premium prompt, and proceed similarly. After upgrading, click the same Outlook Calendar or Exchange Calendar entry to finish the secure Microsoft sign-in and select your calendars. With that set up, your Outlook schedule will appear in TickTick right alongside your tasks, making planning your day simpler and more reliable.